What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video we're going to be looking at 4711 Acqua Colonia Myrrh Kumquat. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please consider hitting that big red subscribe button down below, subscribing to the channel, and also, if you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Both of those things help me out immensely. Okay, so if you don't know already, 4711 is one of the oldest fragrances that you can still purchase. It smells fantastic, but it is only an eau de cologne, and therefore the performance isn't quite there. Having said that though, it is unisex, it is very fresh, and it's a revitalizing scent. I've often read that people sometimes put it on a bandana if they're working outside and they'll wear it around their face, and it just reinvigorates them, refreshes them. And so I think for those purposes, a fragrance like that is absolutely perfect. Today we're going to be looking at this unisex scent, Myrrh Kumquat. I really love the brand, and when it comes to unisex fragrances, they're sort of a weakness of mine. I absolutely adore more ambiguous fragrances. Opening up the bottle, you can see here that it comes with an atomizer, or you can leave the cap on and just use it as a splash. And the bottle is just classy, just pure class. Reminds me of that Guess Womo bottle. I felt like presenting this a little differently than I normally would. I've been wearing this scent for about 20 minutes now, and I wanted to provide an update on the performance and my overall feelings and thoughts on the fragrance. So this is an eau de cologne. Performance isn't going to be great no matter who wears it, but I've got to say, just judging by the first 20 minutes I've been wearing this, the notes are still there. I can still pick them up quite prominently. You've got that bright citrus in the opening, and then I also get sort of like this gentle resinous from the myrrh in the fragrance as well. It reminds me a little bit of that sort of deep resinous sweetness that you get with something like Zadig & Voltaire's This Is Him. Now, don't mistake the two because they're completely different, but they both share that sort of deeply resinous quality to it, and I really enjoy that. This scent though is definitely 100% on the fresh side. It smells fantastic in my opinion, and I really love that it's almost leaning more feminine than masculine, so you're gonna have a bit of confidence to pull this one off. Personally though, I love wearing feminine smelling scents. I think it really helps you stand out from the crowd, and personally I think you should just wear whatever fragrance you want, whether it's marketed towards men or women, or if it's being marketed as a unisex scent, as this one is. I'll just show you the atomizer quickly. It's very solid. It's a high quality atomizer. This is definitely going to be for the fans of bright citrus fragrances, and also anyone that enjoys lipsticky, iris or violet notes. I get mostly that lipsticky and iris violet note. I suspect that it's coming from the myrrh, and it has that resinous quality as I stated before. But that kumquat in the opening, it's almost like this tart yuzu type scent. I think that smells fantastic as well. So far, I'm actually pretty impressed with the performance. Even though it's an eau de cologne, I don't expect it to last for more than 4 hours. At about the hour mark, it will become a definite skin scent. But I will say that it definitely is performing better than your typical 4711 fragrance. And for $45, I highly recommend it. If you can find it in your area, definitely give it a try on a tester strip. I don't imagine you'll be impressed with the performance, but again, you've got to remember that this is an eau de cologne. It's designed more to be refreshing and revitalizing than it is to last a long time on your skin. Anyways, if you've ever worn this fragrance or any 4711 fragrances before, let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys think. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.